The tree is broken. What happened? I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out together. Right, together. You can do it, Fern. Hooray, Fern! Hooray! You moved it! Almost there. I can see the trail now. Keep sweeping. You're doing great, little one. The path is almost clear.
Roar! Hooray! Well done!
The path is all clear now. We did it together.
Nice stack. I'm ready for more. Where should I put the next one?
Oh, yeah. Wow. It's so beautiful.
Together! Almost got it. Got it. Just a little further. We did it!
The path is safe now. Look at this. The forest is beautiful again.
Keep up, little ones!
Watch this.
That's it, you two. You're doing great!
I'll protect this forest. I promise. You're the best, Rex.
Roar!
Smile. Huh? What is it, Dash? Yelp! Yip! Bark! Look, Dash! They're glowing! Wow! Fern! Look! They're magic mushrooms! Look at them, the ancient ones! Wow, they're huge! Woof, woof! They have seen so much. Wow, look at that! Oh, look that! Pant, pant, pant! Look, the mushroom glows! Only these ones, Leo. They're magical.
Bark! 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 Bark!
Wow! Look at them glow! They're beautiful! Woof, woof! Wow! Look at that! I know, it's amazing! So cool! Wow! That's amazing! So bright! Look at them shimmer! Look, Leo, nature provides when we observe carefully. Wow, Fern, these mushrooms are amazing. Thank you. Found one. Into the basket. Arf. Arf. They need to stay here. They do. They will grow. Wow, Fern, it's glowing. That's amazing. Can you show me how you know it's healthy? Look, Fern. Are they the right ones? I found so many this time. Roof, woof. Wow, Fern, Dash, look at it all. It's even more amazing than I imagined.
The waterfall is beautiful.
Woof, woof. Thank you, Fern. Look, Dash, we found them. Found them.
Arf, arf, arf! Good boy! Yip, woof!
Yeah, good boy, Dash. He's so happy. He's so happy. It holds great magic. Wow, wow. Look, there's a new trail. Let's go this way. Rough, rough. All right, Dash, show us the way. Let's go. Let's go. Look, the path goes on. I see it. Let's go. Wow, look at the color. I've never seen anything like it. The forest holds many wonders.
In this ancient place, respect is the first lesson.
Wow, look at the lights.
Be careful, little one.
It's amazing in here. It's glowing. How warm. Oh, be gentle. Wow, look at the colors.
What makes them so bright?
So many secrets in the air.
Be kind, small keepers. Look closely.
Wow. We will, Elder.
Wow.
Look, the red butterflies. They sparkle like the forest. They match perfectly. A beautiful sight. The forest changes its cloak, showing us new beauty with each passing season. Wow. Come on, everyone. Look what's over there.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Indeed. Keep walking. Oh, no. Ah, that's a big log. Let's see. Can you move it? I think if we push it right here, it might just clear the path. Oh, that's clever. Indeed. Keep pushing. You're doing it, Elder Dino. There, it's open. Wow. Wow, Elder Dino, you did it. Excellent work. You are very welcome. Wow. Whoa. We're glad you're here. Explore, young Leo. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. We're almost there. Wow! It's the heart of the forest! Kindness reveals the forest's true beauty. Wow!
You two mean the world to me. We love you too, Elder Dino.
Our friendship is special. Goodbye, my friends. Thank you for everything.
Let's see what's out there.
Yeah, come on. Look, the map. Cluck, cluck.
Yeah.
It's here. Come on.
Look, a hidden symbol.
Beep, beep.
Fascinating.
The forest holds many secrets, little one. Wow. Chirp. Let's explore. Yeah, chirp, chirp.
Go get 'em, Chirp.
Cheep, cheep. We see ya. Look, Fern. This pattern connects to here.
Yes, Chirp sees it too.
What does it mean, Leo? Wow, look at that.
It's beautiful! Bark!
Wow! Look at this! Shh!
Come on, Fern, look! It's glowing even brighter!
Chirp, don't eat it all. It's for the cave.
We're almost there. I can see it.
Let's go.
The tree reveals itself only to kind hearts. We are kind hearts, aren't we, Chirp? Chirp, chirp, chirp. Wow! It's so bright and warm. Dinosaur sound. Cluck, cluck. We found it. It's the golden tree. I can't believe it's real. Chirp, chirp. Wow. Chirp, chirp. Oh, how beautiful. This is a treasure to protect, not to take. We did it!
Chirp, chirp, chirpy!
We did it! It's protected. We must keep this tree's location a secret.
Agreed.
Cluck.
The greatest treasures aren't always gold, but the hope within you and the nature all around us.
Yeah, you're right. I'll never forget this place. Me neither. Chirp, chirp. We did it! We found the tree and kept the secret. You are very brave, little one. Chirp, chirp. This treasure belongs to the forest. Oh, I see. Okay.
The greatest treasures are those we protect.
Wow. Cluck. Look what I found. It shows us the way. Yes. Let's go. The forest has many secrets. We'll keep them safe. Chirp! Look, Dash!
Yep.
We need to find something amazing for the basket. Ow! Panting, excited yelps. I found it. It's safe to drink.
Hooray!
Woof! Look, Dash! So many fish!
Bark, bark.
Wow! Winter is coming. We need to prepare food quickly. Woof, woof. We must prepare now to be safe and warm.
We understand. Let's gather wood.
Good. The river is rising fast.
It's okay, Dash. We'll find a way.
Look, Dash. We'll catch so many fish today. Yap. Okay, so I guide, Dash splashes, Fern blocks. Get it? Yeah! Go, Dash, go! Keep it up! You've got them! Okay, Fern, I think they're blocked. Is it working? Yes! Good job! Now we can be careful and be kind to the water, okay? You're doing great, Dash. Here they come.
Ruff, ruff.
We got them. Good job, Dash. Look, Dash. I caught a few. Happy whines and sniffs. Look what I caught.
Wow.
Well done, Leo. I knew you could do it. Good job, boy. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Almost there. Good job, Leo. We did it. Bark, bark, bark.
Who's a good boy?
There you go, little friend. That's a wise place for it.
Woof.
We did it, Dash. We have plenty for winter.
Woof, woof.
Look at all these fish we got. Good job, we planned well.
Rough, rough.
I'm ready to play. What do you think, Fern?
We'll find something fun.
Sharing time keeps us strong.
Sharing time keeps us strong. We will share the work together. Happy. Thanks, friends. Thanks, friends.
What's wrong, Chirp? You look worried.
Let's slow down. Listen to the forest.
Wow. What's that sound?
Cheep, cheep.
I know just how to help you. We'll find your home.
Bewar, Karna.
I hope it's safe.
Don't worry, Chirp. We'll find it.
She's gonna be okay.
No.
Don't worry, Chirp. We won't give up. We'll find them.
Yes, together. Cluck, cluck. Where is it? Cheep, 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 cheep. Cluck. Lost. Cluck, 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 cluck. Where is it? Don't worry, Chirp. We'll find it.
Let's see.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Chirp, look at this feather. Did your nest fall nearby? Cheep, bok, cheep.
Maybe it's in those vines. Let's look. Don't worry, Chirp, Fern and I will help you find it.
Yes, together.
Look at all the possibilities, Chirp. You can do it.
Oh no, it's too small.
Maybe we can find a bigger one.
We're almost there. I can feel it. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Keep still. Fern is making a path. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Look, we can go through now. Cheep, cheep.
Look, Chirp found a special feather.
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Look,
What is it?
Cluck, cluck, chirp, chirp, cluck. Chirping noises continue. Cluck.
Yes, we did it! Cluck, cluck, cluck. Yeah, yeah. Look, she's cozy. Good job, Chirp. Woohoo!
home is where you feel safe.
Safe. Looks like she's feeling better.
Yes, everything is right again.
Mission complete. Coo! Quack, cluck.
You're always welcome to come visit anytime.
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Roar!
I know what you mean, Fern. When we help others, it really does feel like home.
That's right, little friend.